welcome in this video. Today I'm gonna create an audiobook generator which will generate an audiobook based on my topic, based on my title. So basically this is the whole workflow of anything. As you can see, you can copy paste the whole workflow. So basically this workflow will only generate the text of the audiobook. For voice generation we will use Kokoro TTS space by hexgrad on Hugging Face. So basically that is totally free. We can use unlimited characters, unlimited voice generations, and you can use as much as you want that space. So let's first generate the audiobook text. So for that we need to add the on summation node which will fetch your title, collect your data, which will be a title, which will be a main topic of audiobook, which will be the time of audiobook, duration basically of audiobook, and the tone of audiobook. So as you can see, the title, the main topic, then the duration of audiobook, then the tone of audiobook. You can copy paste all of these as you. So basically, I have already executed this. I have given this audiobook title of "Is AI Bubble Game Going to Bust Up?" Then the reason I have asked him, the main topic is you need to find out the reason and causes of it. Time of audiobook, I have asked him the 4-minute duration. Tone of audiobook, it should be a storytelling. Okay. So I have already executed this. So let me clean up this. So next things, I need to add a edit field node. So after adding the edit field node, so basically this will organize your data. We only need these 4 things, we don't need these 2 things. So for that I have created the sections for every single title, main topic, time and tone. So we have got the 4 things. So let me again execute this. So as you can see, we have got the 4 things, 4 main things. So next is that we need to add a summarization node and assign him a model. Open router chat model, you can set credential here. I'm using the model virtual desktop which is totally free. I'm basically using all of the things that are free in this video. There is no paid thing or anything that is going to charge it. So after getting a title, time and tone and these 4 things for audiobook, next thing I will generate a summary of my title and reason or the main topic that I want to listen or I need to solve my problem. Okay. So this will analyze the summary, and this will analyze the title and the main topic, and it will provide a summary. The article discusses whether the AI Google at a risk of busting, exploring potential reasons and causes behind this possibility, and much more. So basically, by default, characters per chunk are 1000. I have put it here 3000, so that the summary is specified, simplified, and fully clear. I recommend always using 1000 characters per chunk, but this time I'm finding all of the details and summarizing my title. So for that, I need to put 3000. So let me execute this one more time. So as you can see, I've got it the summary of my title of audiobook. So next thing I have added an AI note agent which will help me analyzing and getting summary for my audiobook for my main topic. Like for example, if my title is what are the causes of World War III, generate an audiobook on the causes of World War III. So basically it will generate the whole audiobook, and this agent will analyze what are the reasons, what are the causes, what is the history of World War III, World Wars, or what are the references that Adolf Hitler and some famous personalities, you can say. Uh, I'm not gonna say as much about these things, but after getting the summary, we will provide this agent a prompt. As you can see, you can copy paste the whole prompt. So basically, I'm generating the whole prompts I'm using in this workflow from the ChatGPT model GPT, known as AI prompt generator. This is an GPT model in ChatGPT. for free. You can use it for prompt generation. It provides best prompts. So as you can see, this is the whole prompt. I have provided a title, a main topic, and show summary. So basically, this agent will generate an essay output, an essay of 100 to 200 words in one paragraph. And I have asked him that do not like add these things or any commentations or any explanation that are unrelated. Or I have already asked him that what should be your style, what should your main focus on. So it will like fetch all the information, all the history, all the thing that we need to hear in this audiobook based on our title and main topic. So let me execute this. So as you can see, I have got it an essay of my title and my main topic, and it has explained in detail what my topic is, or what are the causes of my topic, what are the reasons, what should be included in my audiobook, and what should be there for me to help to get understand to be understandable for my audiobook. Okay, so this is the whole essay of one paragraph. So next thing, we need to generate the audiobook text. For that, I have added another AI user node and assigned him a printout chat model with master, textual free, and simple memory. And then I have given him a prompt. You can see you can copy paste the whole prompt as you want or generate it for yourself by using ChatGPT GPT model AI prompt generator. So I have given him 5 information: the title of audiobook, the main topic of audiobook, the duration of audiobook, tone of audiobook, and the essay and the summary which we have generated, which the past agent has generated, the topic and major agent. So I have given this whole summary to this agent that he could generate a proper audiobook in text format that I can hear. So I have asked him that no fluffy commentations, explanation, or starting with here is your this and that, here is your audiobook. I have given him some rules that I need to stay attach, add some references, emotional things, and the things that can make me feel interesting in listening to that audiobook. So let's execute this. So as you can see, it has generated the whole audiobook in text format. As you can see, imagine standing at the edge of a post and much more. So this is the whole audiobook text. Next thing we need to do is that these characters are gonna create friction in your audiobook, and the voices were listen speaking slash and special characters. So we don't need that thing. So for that I have added an AI transform mode and given him a code. You can generate this code from the ChatGPT AI prompt generator. Ask him that I need to replace this special character with a single space or with nothing. So basically this will let me execute this. So basically this will remove any special characters that are going to create friction in your audiobook. And you can see the code I have given him. So we have got it or AI text of audiobook. So next thing, we need to copy this whole audiobook, and now we are gonna use the Kokoro TTS space by Hugging Face. So for that we need to, after copying this audiobook text, we need to go to a website known as search here on a Google search Kokoro TTS or Hugging Face space by hexgrad. So after clicking on this, you can find the Kokoro TTS space by Hugging Face. So basically this is more beneficial than any version that I have ever seen. It don't limit characters, or it don't limit your voice generation. You can speed up, speed down your voice speed, and you can select as much voices that you want. There are some females, there are some males, and let me select the one known as Adam, which is the most common in audiobook. So let's paste our audiobook text. So as you can see, we have pasted our audiobook text. Let me generate a simple sample of the audiobook. So basically there are two sections, generate and stream. So for generate, you will get a simple sample, and for stream, you will get a whole audiobook voice. So let first.
Imagine standing at the edge of a vast glitter Imagine standing at the edge of a vast glittering landscape, one built not on land, but on lines of code, promises of revolution, and billions of dollars flowing like a digital river. This is the world of artificial intelligence today. A realm where breakthroughs in machine learning, faster computers, and endless investment have painted a future so bright it almost hurts to look at, but beneath the surface, whispers grow louder. Is this another bubble ready to burst?
So as you can see, I've got the whole audiobook that it is.
The edge of a vast, glittering, bright it almost hurts to look at, but beneath the surface.
So I have watched this. As you can see, I have watched the agent that generate a 5 minute audiobook, and this is close to 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, but it's just close to the 5 minutes. So for that, next we need to download it. So download it, and you can like hear it or like post it or whatever you want to do this with this audiobook. So this is the whole video. If you want the prompts, I will put the prompts in the description. And this is the whole video. You can use Kokoro TTS for text-to-speech generation for any kind of text-to-speech. I'm here basically creating an audiobook and then converting that audiobook into a proper voice. So this is the whole video. Hope so you like it. If so do, please leave a like and do subscribe to our channel. I will meet you in the next video.